Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a teammate to your Slack workspace. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and scroll down till you find this add teammates section. As you can see, you have several options that you can choose from. The first option is share a link. It means that if you tap on it, you will be able to share this link, this invitation link, to your addressee, either by airdrop, messages, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and other social networking sites such as Gmail. So for example, if you tap on your messages, here you will be able to find the this link to Slack and to the workspace itself with the following message: join me on Slack. It's a faster, simpler way to work. Sign up here from any device. And then you should just simply add your addressee's name to the to section, and you will be able to send it to your future teammate. Or you can also add a person from your contacts, from your Google contacts, or by email. So if you tap on, for example, the add by email option, all you have to do is typing in the email address of that particular person, and after typing it in, tap on this box next to the email address to put a check mark icon into it. Tap on the send button, and then the invitation has been sent to that particular person. They will be able to receive and reply to messages by email until they join. As you can see, it's written there. Tap on the button done, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.